Hello and welcome. In this trigonometry lesson, we are going to explore a very specific and useful variation of the Pythagorean identity. We will learn how to derive the equation involving 1, cotangent squared theta, and cosecant squared theta. This is essential for simplifying complex trigonometric expressions. Let us start with the basics. Here is a standard right-angled triangle. We have an angle theta. Opposite to that, angle is side A, adjacent to it is side B, and the longest side is the hypotenuse. See, the Pythagorean theorem tells us that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. From that triangle, we get the most famous equation in trigonometry. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. This is our starting point. If you know this one equation, you can find all the others without memorizing them. Before we move on, let's recall our reciprocal identities. Cosecant is 1 over sine. Cotangent is cosine over sine. Keep these in mind because we will need to spot these patterns in the next few steps. So, how do we transform our main identity into the cotangent form? The strategy is simple. We need to create fractions. Specifically, we want to divide the entire equation by sine squared theta. This will force sine terms into the denominator. Let's apply that division now. We take sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1, and we divide every single term by sine squared theta. We now have 3 distinct fractions to simplify. Let's look at the first term. Sine squared theta divided by sine squared theta. Any number divided by itself is simply 1. So, this first part simplifies nicely to just the number 1. Now for the second term, cosine squared theta divided by sine squared theta. We know that cosine over sine is cotangent. Therefore, cosine squared over sine squared is cotangent squared theta. Finally, the term on the right side of the equals sign, 1 divided by sine squared theta. Since 1 over sine is cosecant, 1 over sine squared is cosecant squared theta. Putting it all together, we arrive at our final identity. 1 plus cotangent squared theta equals cosecant squared theta. By simply dividing the main identity by sine squared, we have derived this useful formula completely from scratch.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.